Okay, today we're going to be reviewing Social Rebel, and this is supposed to be a site that makes you hundreds of dollars a day, and why this is not a legit site. First of all, red flag, they say you can make $500 right now today, but they have a certain threshold that you have to meet in order to get a withdrawal from. So that is a lie within itself. That's right off the bat, first of all. Okay, so there's a few different things that I want to go over about this site that points it to be a scam to begin with. Okay, so first of all, when you go to Testimonials, I have went and done extensive research, and none of these people exist. None of them. And you can go to Fiverr and actually get people to do reviews like this for you for $5 a piece. Yeah, so when you go to the About Me page, or the About Us, it clearly states right here they were established in 2018, which is not at all true. If you go to whois.com, it has, and it clearly states that this was registered on August 17th, 2021. So that was like less than a month and a half ago. Yeah. So not that long ago were they actually created as a site. And that's a lie right there. Now, the Ralph R. Lawson and Chad Evans, they don't exist either. And no one's ever gotten paid that I know of. And when I try to contact these people, they don't exist. There's no record of them ever even existing, let alone that these accounts are real. So I would stay away from Social Rebel because it is not legit at all. There's no way that you can earn the money that they're stating you can earn anyway, and anyone in their right mind would know that. And it's ridiculous. So there's my conclusion, and there's the reason why I think it's a scam, and I'm not going to waste my time with it. You shouldn't either. So alright guys, thanks.